23A says a rancher had 80 and 8 pounds of feed for his 20 cows. If he gave each cow an equal amount of feed, the question says how many pounds of feed did each cow receive? So then again, we have a lot of keywords that we're going to be dividing, and especially the word each right here in the question. Remember, if the word each is in the question, for sure you're going to be dividing. Okay, so we're going to be dividing my total, which is 80.8 pounds, by 20 of the cows. So we're going to be making groups of 20, making 20 groups, I'm sorry. So let's get ready with our tops and bottoms chart, and this one is easy, kids, because you're working with a number with a 0. So if you really look at it, you're working with the multiples of 2, and we're just gonna add a 0 to the end. So let's do that on the bottom. I'm gonna get ready with my tops and bottoms chart. Okay, you just want to have it ready, even though I know you're working with multiples of 2. They're pretty easy, but we just want to practice, right? So 20 times 1 is 20. 20 times 2 would be 40. Again, we're counting by 2, so let's do it. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. Okay, so now we can start dividing. I'm dividing a decimal. What do I do with that? I just bring it up. Okay. Now, I did add a 0 here. I wrote a 0 here. There's a 0 next to the 8, okay? We don't always write it because we don't need to, but I went ahead and wrote it here just in case, okay? So we have, can I make groups of 20 with 8? No, I can. I group it with the next number with 80. Yes, I can. How many times? I go down here and I find 80. Number on the top, number on the bottom, I multiply, I got an 80. I subtract, I get a 0. I bring down the next number. Okay, so how many times can I make groups of 8? 0 times. So that would give me 8 again. Okay, so what's my next step? Bring down the next number. Okay, so how many times can I make groups of 20 with 80? Again, 4 times. So I subtract and I get a 0. So my answer would be letter B. 4 400 of a pound for each cow. Go ahead and choose letter B as your answer.